Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making Mother's Day flower cards. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, scissors, crayons, flower seeds, and cardstock or construction paper. I've picked white, so we're going to go with the white card for us. And first we're going to just draw a can and then put a spout and a handle. It can look any way you want. And then we're going to make a pocket, and that just fits at the bottom of the watering can, so we can fit flower seeds in there. So we're going to take this little pocket and put some glue on it, just around the edges, because we want it to hold the seeds. And then you can color it or draw a picture on it or put words. I put words on mine, but you can do whatever you want. And then you just put a little seed packet in there. And that is our Mother's Day flower card. I hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.